Sister, sister, sister,
What is that?
pastor wife is calling you.
Pastor wife. Can't you
Yes.
say I'm reading Bible? I'm reading the word of God. Ah, see, let me tell you, the only person I can respect is God. Any other person can go to hell. I don't care. What
But
do you mean by pastor wife is calling me? Is pastor wife more spiritual than I am? Let's just say it safe. Is that pastor wife more spiritual than I am? Does he know God more than me? What for? Why is he calling me? Please, nobody should bother me. Oh. Can't you say I'm reading the word of God? I love God. Oh, I love God. I'm reading the word of God. I don't respect any other human being apart from God. So, pastor wife or whosoever should please stay away from my affairs. Please. I'm reading word of God and somebody is telling me that pastor wife is calling me. Oh,
obedience is better than sacrifice.
obedient
So.
what? I am obeying God and that is just fine now. I don't obey any other, apart from God, I don't obey any other human being.